19 3/4.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right.
19 3/4.
I'm gonna put a ceiling fan in here, but this is a good room.
Yeah.
We might have to C-cut these a little bit.
Yeah.
Just these couple, just a tiny little C-cut.
Or we can F cut them. Or we can G cut them.
Or F-bomb.
Just kidding.
Potato.
Just watching you, Blake Foo. Spider Blaking it. 63 years old and he can almost stand up there.
Don't fall, man.
Don't
Yeah,
fall.
watch it.
Good thing is he can't look up.
Fall into the rafters.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I invented the saying that you're fired before you hit the ground. Oh, man. Okay. He ain't up here doing this. He's young.
My foot hurts.
Yeah, I gotta wait, man. My ass has got a hold of my underwear really tight.
Yeah, don't fart, man. Don't fart.
All right.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to turn around. Man, I used to run around up here.
Oh, Jesus.
Tell me about it.
All right, you need me to grab anything for you
No, okay.
besides new underwear?